People try to be prepared to deal with conflict. Having a gun solves a very narrow, specific type of conflict. And most conflict doesn't get to there. People have a variety of interpersonal conflict, whether it's just conversational or posturing or it's physical in some way. And so a gun solves a very narrow, extreme situation. And sometimes if you're ill prepared to deal with the other things, like you can think, man, I want to cut that thing with a knife, but I don't have a knife. I only have a hammer, so I'm gonna sit there and beat that thing until it's split into two, right? That's not a very good way to solve that problem. And so you could be in a similar situation with a gun. It's like, I know this person, I feel threatened, this person needs to go away. And so what you do is you pull out your gun to try to make them go away, where that is a answer, but it may not be the best answer if you had other better verbal skills or unarmed skills or some other tool. If someone's concerned about interpersonal conflict, then having as much skill and training and experience with that is going to be of value. And so if you're concerned about that, then you shouldn't just take a bunch of shooting courses. You should try to learn about other things. And whether that is, it could be like some sport fighting thing, like Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu or something like that, but it also could be seeking out training where people are talking about how to talk to people, right? How to carry yourself, it could be just watching videos of scenarios and playing through what those, this is a scenario, this is how to play it out. What could the person have done to be better? If I was in that situation, what would I do? All of those things I think would be helpful and are worth time and energy spent if someone is truly interested in learning how to deal with conflict and de-escalating situations to avoid people getting hurt when they don't need to.